know how to make this intro? Let me show you how to do it in CapCut. Come on. Import a black background clip in CapCut. Add text to that clip and use bold font. Set the first keyframe. Then add a keyframe in the end. Zoom in just like I'm showing you. Set it and export the clip. Now, add your main clip into CapCut. Add the exported text video as an overlay. Select Darken in the Splice option. Now that everything is set correctly. Let's look at the final output.